Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new Cactus Mouse Pet in Grow a Garden Harvest Moon Part 2 update. So the Cactus Mouse in an uncommon pet, this one, you can see it's uncommon pet. And the good news is that it's very easy to obtain. You can unlock it by reaching level 2 in the season pass. This one, you can see it. So in here, you only need to complete a few of quests available here, this one, and then earn enough season pass XP to reach level 2. And then let's talk, let's take a look at its ability. I want to equip this pet, this one, and then let's just take a look for this ability. Let's view it. Okay, like this, you can see it. Basically, this cactus mouse can convert a cactus into one of six different cactus furniture cosmetic. So when it's active, one of your cactus plants can be turned into a random cactus-themed furniture cosmetic. And yeah, since cactus mouse is only uncommon pet, I think its ability is really simple. It's not really designed to give you a huge gameplay advantage. But yeah, it can be a fun way to get some unique furniture for decorating your garden. And okay, maybe that's it about this cactus mouse. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!